What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we have this it's a Blink security system. It's the cameras and the doorbell. It's from Costco. They had a sale and advantage of it. So let's open it up and set it up, and then later on another video we'll be mounting the cameras on around the house. So stay tuned. So we have a doorbell, we have an indoor camera, and we have, I think it says we have 4 outdoor cameras, but you can just open and see if it's truly 4 cameras or 3. Oh, it's 3 cameras, and I think this is the wall mount or something. Let's see what this is. I think this is a yard sign. So now we need to, so now we're setting up the system. So first thing, you need to download the app. It's the name of the app is Blink Home Monitor. Once you have it, open it. You need to create an account. And then it's going to ask you if you want to link it to Amazon, which you can do later. And then on the top right corner, we can tap on it, and now we can start adding you can start by the sync module, which you can use your camera, your phone's camera, to scan the QR code. It has a QR code behind it. So we have the sync module here. And then you can name your system. So now you have to plug your sync module in and long press the reset button until you see a red light. There it is, and then long press it again. After the blinking blue lights, it's gonna stop here. So now it's set up. After that, you click on it and then connect. And then you have to make sure your Wi-Fi is on, your phone's Wi-Fi is on, and then enter your password. Once it's connected, tap on done, and then now you can proceed to adding the cameras. The indoor cameras, the doorbell, the indoor camera, the doorbell, and the 3 outdoor cameras. So we have the 3 outdoor cameras here. We can start with them. So there's a plastic screwdriver here, like a mounting hardware that you can use as a screwdriver. So now you can see it's looking for the camera. Now we need to add the batteries. I think the other camera has been added. Tap on done. And then you you can tap on the play button to access a live feed of this camera, so we can try and see if it's working. So you can see that's the camera, and then now we can add the other cameras. Same drill. So now, since we have the outdoor cameras done, we can move on and do the indoor camera and the doorbell.
So we can start with this one. So make sure your sync module is plugged in, and then you can open it up. So inside it there will be the actual camera. You have this actually holds the camera, the base well, and then you have the, since we're plugging it in, so first step would be to connect it to an outlet. You have this one, this adapter. So this you're connecting to this part inside. And then this will go inside the camera. Here, clicking sound, and it's blinking red, then green and blue. That means it's connected. And then that's where it goes in. You hear that clicking sound, that confirms that it's in, and then you can actually reposition it the way you want. And then to link it to your system, just open up the app again on your phone, then you can tap the add button on top, and then select the mini camera, which is this one over here. Hit continue. We've already done everything. Then you can add it to your account, and then on the device it's asking us to scan it, the QR code, which is this one over here. Let's try and search for the device. So we can go back and try and see if it's working. And you can see it's added. And you see how the camera is moving. Probably that indicates that it's linked to the system. You can try and actually open it up and see which one it is. Yep. So you can actually see that the camera is working. You can try and turn it. And that's connected. So this actually turns the camera to whichever side you want to. Nice. So let's now connect the doorbell, and then we'll be done. So it first needs batteries, and then tap on the add to the system. We've already done that step. have the batteries in. Oh, it does. Watch out for the LED lights. You can see them blinking red. Tap continue. So this takes about a minute. You can look for the doorbell and see if the video pulls up. Yeah. So here we have the 3 outdoor cameras and the indoor one, and then the doorbell camera. Stay tuned for the next video when we'll be mounting them up. And as always, if you like the video, press the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning in.